Hello, my name is Nancy Gupta and I am pursuing a BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from VIT Bhopal with a CGPA of 8.5. I am applying for the growth analyst role at HitWicket with a focus on using data, automation and analytics to drive measurable user and revenue growth. My professional foundation is built on data-driven decision making. I have hands-on experience in Python, SQL, and data analytics, combined with a technical background in web systems and automation using the MERN stack. I specialize in leveraging data pipelines, predictive analytics, and performance dashboard to convert raw data into actionable growth insights. I am also certified as a Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Gen AI professional and OCI data science professional, and also hold the foundation of MERN stack certification from Simplilearn. During my software development engineer internship at Louis Stock Fintech, I contributed to production level IPO management platform serving over 1000 plus users. Uh, I have consistently applied analytics and growth oriented thinking across my major projects. So first is Fresh Track, predictive food waste and risk analytics platform. Engineered a predictive risk analytics system tracking 3000 plus products daily across multiple stores. By applying feature engineering and NLP based analytics, I built real-time spoilage risk alerts that reduce wastage by 40%. Now second is traffic forecasting with graph convolution, LSTM model. So developed a hybrid graph convolutional network plus LSTM model processing over 1 million data points to forecast traffic volume and congestion. Now third is Nagar Sathi's Civic Analytics Dashboard, architected a multi-level reporting dashboard for civic issue management. The system used real-time analytics and automated ward-wise report generation. A clear parallel building performance tracking dashboard for growth metrics in marketing or user acquisition. Now fourth is Collab Campus, data-driven user engagement platform. Built a social platform connecting 5000 plus users with real-time data collection through chats, posts, and interactions. I implemented a NLP-based recommendation system that processed thousands of job listings weekly, improving match accuracy and user retention. So across these experiences, I have developed a data-oriented mindset, measuring impact through metrics such as retention time, efficient gain, and system accuracy. I also use tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Excel to visualize and communicate performance insights effectively. I have been recognized in the Providence Leap Ideathon as a next-gen thinker for proposing a SMS and voice-enabled healthcare web app solution that improved access by 3 times. In the mobile gaming domain, I aim to apply this analytical rigor to optimize user acquisition, retention, and revenue funnels using automation, segmentation, and predictive analytics to identify new growth opportunities. Thank you for your time. I look forward to contributing my analytics, technical, and automation expertise to HitWicket's continued expansion as a leading mobile gaming platform.